welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. If you are already subscribed to my channel, if you are not, I hope you'll enjoy this content enough. Want to subscribe. Today I'm coming back with some projects to finish up my order from Globleland. I want to remind you that there will be a discount code in my description. I'll also place it in my comments, and I'll also place it on the screen right here. Okay, so this is the die. I told you I couldn't remember if it was a box or whatever this was. And so this turns into this little gift box. It's just very small. You can see how small it is. Super cute. And so I am going to make this, and while we're letting that dry, I have already cut out some of these. So these hearts and these flowers are part of this die. And then these centers. Now normally I would use these centers for, to show you the process, but I'm going to be gifting this with some beads in it, so I do not want to, I want to, do something with that. So I've cut out some hearts with some polka dotted vellum. I've cut out some vellum flowers, some gold flowers, some paper flowers here, just to get a mixture of the different papers. That should be dry enough to fold your edges in here. Fold this tab down. I want to give out just a little bit of glue there. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Okay, and there's the little gift bag. I think I'm going to find a piece of baker's twine or something to put it through here and tie this down. I'm not sure. I might just use a little dot, little glue dot. Okay, so I'm going to set this to the side and let this dry. Okay, the next project we're going to be working on are these 4 corners. I cut some different ones out, but I just cut one in. So I cut these out in gold, which is the butterfly here. I just think those are gorgeous. And then I cut these out. See this one in silver. And then I cut these ones out in this blue right here. Very pretty. But I cut these out in white. I couldn't really find a paper that I thought I like, so I am going to color these myself with some alcohol markers and see how that turns out. They may not turn out at all. I am not sure. We will see. Okay, now we're going to work with these Globleland stamps, and we are going to work with her with her little puppy. Okay, so I've already colored her in with my alcohol markers. And now I'm just going to cut this out as close as I can. Okay, I'm going to take this and make a tag. I am going to ink around the edges of that girl there. It's just too much white showing. I think pink will be okay. I think it'll fit in with this tag. It's just too much white. We don't want all that white. Okay, I'm just gonna add some little things to this tag. A couple little flowers here. I'm gonna add this little bow. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of stickles right here just to gloss up her shoes. Then we'll go right here on the trim of her dress. And right here on her belt. Her bracelets. And let's just go on her headband while we're at it. Okay, so I colored the stamp off camera and all that stuff, and then I tried to make it, you know, like girly, but I'm not real girly, so that's about as good as I was gonna get for girly. I just need to add some ribbon to the top. Then that tag will be finished. And so there goes that tag using this stamp and this stamp. I don't know why that wouldn't come off of there. I used this stays on, and it usually brings it right off of there, but it didn't bring it off. So, but I would probably only stamp with it in black, so it doesn't really matter, right? So, but that came off easily. So, okay, so there's that. And so now I need to make a birthday card. So that is going to be using these corner dies. And so this is going to be using this butterfly die here. So I have everything mainly already cut out and ready to go for this card. And all we have to do is put it together. Starting out with 175-pound cardstock, and I always like my cards to go this way. I don't know why, but I like them like this. So I am going to use some glue first. And this is just a purple color. So this is green vellum that I just want to lay down here. And so I'm going to tape this in the middle with some double-sided tape. Then I'm going to use this flowered paper. Then I've got these here, and I'm going to put them all the way to the edge. These were cut out with that die. They cut so well. Okay, so here I'm just going to add some purple gems to these little flowers. And here I'm just taking a little bit of green ink and going around the edges of the sentiment. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of these purple dewdrops. Okay, now this is too big to put over here, but I think I'm just going to take this butterfly and cut this butterfly. Okay, I just cut this off the other one that I had cut out, and I'm just going to put this right here. And I think that that is perfect in there. Okay, so with this die here, okay, so this is the finished card. I just added this ribbon here and this bow off camera because it just looked a little bare there. So I just thought that was cute. Kind of like a present maybe. I don't know, but yeah, I think it turned out cute. This still looks a little bit cloudy here. Till that glue dries all the way, then you'll be able to really see that purple. And then that's the inside. Yeah, so that is that with this die. And then we have this die here. And I cut these out for that. Look how pretty that is. It is so, so pretty. This flower here. And I just love all these little dots where you could just add some gems to those dots. You know, circles. And this one here, I cut out. It cut out like this. Oh, look at the butterflies there. The flower there. So many places you could put gems. So, and you can see how well these cut out. It didn't rip anything, any of the paper at all. We have, okay, of course this one goes with the card. And then we have this one. I just love this one. And then I just took some white cardstock, 175 pound cardstock, and then I colored that with my alcohol markers. Just look how pretty that would be with maybe some bright pink centers. It's always nice to see like a more finished look, but see how cute that would be? I just love this one. I just think it's so pretty. So anyway, so that's that die. Then we have this die, which is the 3D bag, and it came with the bows and the hearts and stuff. And then, so I made this little gift bag. These are little flowers that came with it. Then I took some pink enamel dots here, enamel accents here, and then I just added this here. Probably shouldn't have done that, but it just seemed a little plain. Then there's some vellum back here. So it's just a little 3D gift bag. Like you could add, beads and stuff down in there. I was going to send this off in a birthday challenge, but I cut this all wonky, so I didn't send it into that challenge. There's that. And then we have the tag here, which we used the stamps with. So that's my last 3 projects for Globleland, and I hope you all enjoyed this with me. And I hope that there is a 5% off discount, and I will put that in the description box, and I will leave that in the comments. And I hope you will take advantage of that to use on their already low prices for these dies and stamps or anything you choose. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all have enjoyed it. I hope you are enjoying your day, night, morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. I hope you're having a great time. Appreciate you all so much. Thank you.